Hello, today we're going to show you how to install the FuelX Lite on Yamaha XSR 125. Before you begin, gather all necessary tools.
Ensure you have the installation manual ready. Locate the lambda sensor connector on your Yamaha XSR 125. Carefully remove the plastics covering the area. Disconnect the connectors and connect the FuelX connectors to the stock connectors, following the instructions provided by FuelX Lite. Ensure all connections are tight and secure. Secure the harness away from general heating areas. Route the Fuel Lite wires under the plastics of your Yamaha XSR 125 to keep them tidy and hidden. Unlock the rider seat. Connect FuelX male and female connectors. Connect the ground connector to the battery negative terminal. Place the FuelX Lite in a suitable location on your Yamaha XSR 125, ensuring it's securely positioned. Turn the engine on and wait till the LED indicators on FuelX start blinking. The blinking of the red LED indicates that the map on the FuelX is being activated. The red LED starts blinking after the key and the kill switch are on. The blinking of the green LEDs during the idling of the engine indicates that the FuelX is working in sync with the OEM ECU. The working of both green and red LEDs indicates the FuelX functioning as intended. Carefully put all the plastics and the seat back in place to finalize the installation. And then, take your Yamaha XSR 125 for a road test to verify the FuelX Lite's performance enhancement. Upgrade your ride with FuelX Lite. Thanks for watching.